Hi guys. Oh, how I missed you. Being a role, I have been calling very day. They really want to do a puzzle with you. Okay. I think we'll get the truth level 2 medium. Yes. Mm. Let's go, friends. Yes? Yes. Let's go. I think so. We need first, let's do 4 corners. Corners number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Corners number 1. Where is place for you? Maybe this? No? Really? It's not right? Okay. This? No. Oh, no. This should be here. This? Not? Why not? Okay. This? It's right. Yes. The right answer. Oh, friends, it is cool. Okay. Corner number 2. These corners. Maybe this place for you. No. Why? What do you think? Okay. This. Yeah, friends. It is cool. It is the right word. Right answer. Yeah. These corners. Only 2 words, only 2 answer. And I think so. This beach puzzle for this place. Not. And yes, this. Oh yes, it is right. And yes, again right. Okay, in number 4 corners for this place. Oi, sorry. Oh yeah. Look, it's cool. It's amazing and beautiful. And now we need this line. One side, one line. And I see this beach puzzle with line. But I don't know. For this or this plates. Okay, maybe this. Not? Why? Okay. No, this. Oh, look, friends. It's smile and ice. Yes, it's beautiful. And now we need corners. Wait, no, not corners. Beach puzzle with line this side. Where is? Oh, see? I see. Can see you. Yes. Look, friends, eat it. Right. Yes. Okay, need 2 beach puzzles with line this. Oh yeah, I see you. And where is place for you? This or this? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This. Not? Oh no. I made a mistake this time. No, it's not right. This. Yes. Now, my friends, guys, it's right place for this beach park, and this beach park for this place. Yes. Look, it is beautiful. In now we need 2 beach puzzles with like this. Oh yeah, 1 and 2. This or this. Dun. No. What? This? No. This. Only this. Is it right? Yay! And one wish puzzle with line, with line. Yes! Look, friends, I see one eyes and need two eyes. Where is eyes? Oh yeah, you see? I see you. This. Oh, look, friends. One smile, two smiles, three smiles. Oh, it's a beautiful puzzle. Oh, and now we need only one wish puzzle for us. Ta-da! Christmas. Oh, thank you, my friend. Bringing you rolling. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe and like this video. And see you. Bye. Bye bye.